Welcome to Works Pilates, the main campus and home school of Fletcher Pilates, one of the primary lineages of the Pilates method. I'm Kyria, I direct the studio. I've been running Works Pilates since 1993, so more than 2 decades. As a dedicated safe space, Works Pilates is 100% committed to the safety of our clients and staff. We have private and semi-private session stations set up for safer physical distancing. All equipment is cleaned and disinfected following each use. The studio is professionally cleaned and disinfected on a regular basis. We have state-of-the-art air purifiers installed throughout the studio. And until further notice, face masks are required in the studio at all times. Safety first, then Pilates. So as we walk into the studio, we see a private session taking place. And this is an interesting piece of equipment. This was Ron Fletcher's reformer. He was my teacher, and he willed all of his equipment to me. So this is one of the original Ron Fletcher machines. And this is one of our senior teachers, Martha, teaching a private session to a newer client. Over here we have what we call a quartet. So a quartet is basically a semi-private session. So 4 students and 1 teacher. And they're working on the pedipole, and the pedipole is a wonderful piece of equipment that really focuses on upright posture and expansion of the chest and axial elongation. This piece of Pilates equipment, also known as Pilates apparatus, it is called the Cadillac. It's a wonderful piece of equipment that's usually used in private sessions. And Joseph Pilates called it the Cadillac because that was his favorite car at the time. And on the Cadillac is Deborah Mendoza. She's our Director of Education for Fletcher Pilates. Reagan is at the bar. This is a freestanding bar, and she's doing a warm-up for her program. Down here we have Deborah teaching on the guillotine tower. So here you can see another semi-private session being taught by Claire. This is on the Wanda chairs. And then we have the 4 wall units behind the chairs. These are also used for semi-private sessions. So each of the different stations in the studio is set up to support our quartet model. This is the classroom. It's also known as our Zoom room. It's turned into a virtual teaching room. And Claire is teaching a private session again on the Cadillac, and Claudia is teaching a semi-private session on the spine correctors, one of the pieces of equipment that we specialize in. And you'll see in the corner we have our Zoom setup, we have special lighting, sound system, and we teach programs here to students from all around the world. We also offer massage and physical therapy services with a wonderful team of massage and physical therapists. The massage and physical therapists work hand in hand with our Pilates teachers to ensure you have the best integrated experience possible. At Works Pilates, we pride ourselves in giving each of you a moving experience and welcoming you to the studio. Thank you for coming to Works.